What's up, y'all? It's Sarah, studio artist at Milk Makeup. It's Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Killer! It's a tinted brow gel that gives your brows natural looking definition and fullness without the stiffness. Now available in 8 shades, so you can find your perfect brow match. First came Kush Mascara, and then Kush Fiber Brow Gel. We landed on hemp-derived cannabis seed oil as a vegan alternative to the beeswax commonly found in other brow gels. It conditions, nourishes, and whips the formula into a super smooth texture that keeps your brows on the same page. Unique thickening heart-shaped fibers lock onto every brow hair to fill, shape, and define. Swipe the tree-shaped tapered brush with the direction of hair growth in small, upward strokes. You can use the tip of the brush to draw precise hairs and fill in where areas are sparse. The tapered brush allows you to apply the gel formula seamlessly to create ultimate fullness, definition, and shape. Feel free to apply extra coats without the formula getting clumpy. I'm wearing Herb, a neutral medium brown, and look how defined and full these brows are. Haze, MJ, Dove, Herb, Dutch, Grind, Cypher, and Diesel. Kush Fiber Brow Gel is alcohol-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan.